Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 81 C10. Just so you know, it's 15 degrees today, so starts nice. There's a blinker to the left, blinker to the right. See the gas gauge is working. There's your oil gauge. Amp gauge is up. You can hear the heater fan working. Let me see if I can find, oh, there the radio turned on. You can hear the static. I'll have to tune in a station. Horn works. Wipers work. And the dome light works. I think everything works on this truck. We had a big mirror put on there, didn't we? Give you a listen to the motor. Not very many miles on the rebuilt motor. Well, it's really nice. Got an L-Rock carburetor on it. It runs nice and smooth. It was originally a 6-cylinder truck. So upgraded to a dual tank truck. I do not know if the tank switcher works, but it was equipped originally with dual tanks. Just kind of strange on a two-wheel drive step side. Sounds good, got some decent sound exhaust, so nothing radical, but just a nice cruiser truck. So, any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.